Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Nadia. Welcome back to new lesson. So are you reluctant sometimes to make that English conversation? Because you fumble, you draw a complete blank and you can't think of what to say. You know you are good to writing and stuff, but when it comes to conversation, it just isn't the same thing. So in today's video, I am going to give you English sentences that you can use in daily life to make English conversation. So all the best with your English. Let's start. First I will translate in Urdu, then we will translate in English. क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोलते हो? Do you speak English? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं रास्ते में हूँ. I am on the way. I am on the way. सब ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. क्या चल रहा है? What is going on? What is going on? मजाक बंद करो. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you? How dare you? Please, खामोश हो जाओ. Please, keep quiet. Please, keep quiet. फिर मिलते हैं. Bye. See you again. See you again. क्या आप दोहरा सकते हैं? Could you please repeat that? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. No, not at all. No, not at all. इस एजाज के लिए शुक्रिया. Thanks for this honor. Thanks for this honor. ये बहुत ज्यादा है. This is too much. This is too much. क्या तरकीब है? What an idea. What an idea. अपने काम से काम रखो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. बोलने से पहले सोचा करो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. ये बहुत ज्यादा है. This is too much. मेरी नजरों से दूर हो जाओ. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. मैं समझा नहीं. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. मेरी चीजों से दूर रहो. Stay away from my stuff. आपका इससे कोई मतलब नहीं. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. तंगी के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. So guys, that's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell so you never miss any of my video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.